Space stretches on, silent and endless. For almost half a century, Voyager 2 has been humanity's silent envoy, venturing into the unknown. It journeyed farther than we ever dreamed, delivering stunning images and invaluable data from the giant planets. Then, on July 29, 2025, the unthinkable occurred. Voyager 2's faint signal suddenly shifted. After decades of speeding away from Earth, it inexplicably began to slow down, as if it was turning back. The scientific world was stunned. NASA responded with an extraordinary step: immediate declassification. The world learned that Voyager 2 had encountered something so significant it belonged to all of us. This wasn't just a scientific milestone. It felt like a cosmic event that demanded the world's attention. At the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, teams watched in disbelief as the Doppler shift readings dropped. Voyager 2 was slowing its escape from the solar system. It was as if an invisible hand was nudging it back toward Earth. The control room buzzed with a mix of panic, excitement, and awe. For years we believed our probes would drift endlessly into the void. But Voyager 2's unexpected turn marked a new beginning. The universe, it seemed, still held secrets in the darkness between the stars. This moment reshaped how we see our place in the cosmos. It reminded us we're only at the edge of the cosmic shore. The ocean beyond is deeper and more mysterious than we ever dared to believe. And Voyager 2 had just sent us a message from that mysterious frontier. What is Voyager 2? It's a time capsule, a robot explorer, a testament to human curiosity. Launched in 1977, it was designed to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, visiting Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune in a single journey. Using gravity assists, it slingshotted from planet to planet, a cosmic billiard shot. Voyager 2 is about the size of a small car, with a 12-foot antenna always pointed at Earth. Its nuclear battery, an RTG, keeps it alive in the cold darkness far from the sun. Packed with cameras, spectrometers and magnetometers, it became our eyes and ears in the outer solar system. But perhaps its most famous feature is the Golden Record, a gold-plated disc carrying sounds and images from Earth. Greetings in 55 languages, music and the sounds of nature are etched into its surface. It's a message in a bottle, a symbol of hope for any distant civilization that might one day find it. Voyager 2 is more than a machine. It's a story of who we are and what we dream. Even if our civilization fades, its journey continues among the stars. The Voyager program was born from a golden age of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It was a robotic pioneer, sent to scout the unknown. And now it's made history once again. Voyager 2's journey is legendary. In 1979, it revealed Jupiter's storms, volcanic moons, and hidden rings. At Saturn, it uncovered the intricate structure of the rings and studied mysterious moons. It pressed on to Uranus in 1986, discovering new moons and a bizarre tilted magnetic field. In 1989, it reached Neptune, capturing the great dark spot and streaks of methane clouds. With its grand tour complete, Voyager 2 set out for interstellar space. In 2018, it crossed the heliopause, becoming the second human-made object to enter the space between stars. For years, it sent back data about cosmic rays and magnetic fields in this unexplored region. It was on this lonely path that the impossible happened. Voyager 2's mission was to explore the unknown, and it did, right up to the moment it changed course. Its discoveries transformed our understanding of the solar system, and now it was about to transform our view of the universe itself. When we say Voyager 2 turned back, it's not a U-turn. The probe has no engines for such a maneuver, just tiny thrusters for orientation. For decades, it coasted on inertia, moving at over 34,000 miles per hour. Stopping or reversing would require energy it simply doesn't have. The evidence came from the Doppler effect. The frequency of its radio signal, long redshifted as it sped away, began to shift. The redshift decreased. Voyager 2 was slowing down. In the near vacuum of interstellar space, nothing should cause this. The sun's gravity is too weak at that distance. The JPL team checked for errors. None were found. The data was real. Voyager 2 was decelerating. An object on a predictable path for 50 years was suddenly defying the laws of physics. It was as if it had encountered a force pushing against it. This wasn't a gentle drift. The deceleration was significant and sustained. For scientists, it was a moment of shock and excitement. They were witnessing something entirely new, unpredicted by any model. Voyager 2 had stumbled upon a cosmic mystery. The little probe had found something at the edge of the solar system that no one expected. And the world was watching. The control room buzzed as the team searched for answers. The plasma wave instrument, usually quiet, was suddenly alive with data. Voyager 2 had detected a dense, structured field of particles ahead. The region, the heliosheath, is where the solar wind meets the interstellar wind. But no one expected a structure dense enough to slow a spacecraft. The readings showed a wall of plasma, far denser than anything seen before. It was like flying into a cosmic fog bank. The structure wasn't just dense, it was pushing back, exerting force on the probe. This was the source of the deceleration. Voyager 2 had encountered a barrier, a natural phenomenon so strange it forced us to rethink interstellar space. The galaxy itself seemed to be pushing back. NASA's response was as extraordinary as the discovery. Instead of months of secret analysis, they declassified everything within hours. The raw data was released to the public, an unprecedented move. This was more than a scientific event, it was a moment for all humanity. Suddenly anyone could access the data. Citizen scientists, students and curious minds everywhere. Online forums exploded with theories and analyses, the world united in a shared sense of wonder. It was a beautiful example of open science, showing that discovery belongs to everyone. The value of space exploration was clear. These missions are for all of us. The billions spent on Voyager paid off in moments like this, moments that expand our perspective and challenge our assumptions. By making the data public, NASA invited the world to explore together. This was our discovery, our universe. And the call to curiosity echoed around the planet. With the data open, scientists worldwide buzzed with theories. One idea. Voyager 2 had found a dense filament or sheet of plasma in the galactic medium, cosmic thunderclouds shaped by ancient forces. Another, more exotic theory, dark matter. Could Voyager's deceleration be the first sign of this mysterious substance interacting with normal matter? The implications are enormous. If it's a plasma structure, interstellar space is far more complex and hazardous than we thought. Future missions will need to navigate or shield against these regions. Our map of the galaxy just got more complicated. Voyager 2's anomaly is a humbling lesson. The universe still has the power to surprise us. Even after decades of exploration, our knowledge is incomplete. Voyager 2 has pushed past our limits, sending back a report from the true frontier. The journey of discovery is far from over. Voyager 2's story is more than a scientific curiosity, it's a call to explore. We are driven to see what lies beyond the next horizon. Space exploration is the modern expression of that impulse. Probes like Voyager are our scouts, enriching us all with their discoveries. These missions inspire innovation and the next generation of explorers. They give us perspective, reminding us of our shared vulnerability and responsibility. The pale blue dot, captured by Voyager 1, shows our world as a tiny speck in the vastness. Exploration unites us, giving us a common purpose. We listen for the faint whispers from the edge of the solar system, not just for data, but for wonder. The universe isn't obligated to make sense to us, but it's our privilege to try. Every new mystery, like Voyager 2's, adds to our portrait of the cosmos. The journey is always worth taking for knowledge, perspective, and the future it inspires. And so we continue to explore.